The Havana chair is one of my all-time favourites. That's a really big call because I've been with this company for over 17 years. I happen to have this chair at home and it is definitely a family favourite. The reason why we love it so much is because it's so generously proportioned. You really can curl up on this chair, and that's what I look for in a chair, is can I get my legs up and tuck them under? Yes, you can. The beauty of this chair is that it is solid oak. It's painted timber and has so many beautiful details that are carved into the wood, and also features rattan on the front, back and side. So you really do feel like that's the Bahama look. You feel like you should be having a Long Island tea when you're sitting on this chair. Now the fabric is a really beautiful 100% linen, and let me tell you from experience, you can remove the covers and wash them as well. The Havana chair really is oversized and generous in its proportions. It's nearly a metre high at 98 centimetres, 85 centimetres deep, which is perfect if you've got those long legs, and 74.5 centimetres wide. So it fits all shapes and sizes. The cushions are, as I mentioned, 100% linen, but not only that, they are feather and foam filled, so you get the ultimate comfort factor.